We're fighting. You said you're gonna give me a G-Wagon. Shut up, shut up, shut up. This is why we're not together.
He's so silly. I
This
know,
is
we're
the
like a
cutest
little
thing
kid, I swear.
ever.
It lit up, yeah. What are you doing out there? Oh my god, you're Rich Last. Can I get an autograph?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay, because Rich, we got a reservation now. So we're gonna get some food here. Oh my god, I can't wait. So this is the full menu. I have 4 different starters. There's a garlic nut. There's a capri salad. There's a mushroom soup and mushroom bowl, tomato mushroom, and just super mushroom soup. And the main menu, there's a 5 different entree here. Short ribs, fireball challenge, spaghetti, Luigi burger, Mario burger, kids meal. There's a burger and then pasta. They also have the zipper here, and that's the dessert. So what should we get today?
There's a menu.
What should we get today?
I'm gonna try to get that and that. And then of course for dessert, try to get that.
The Princess Peach was good last time.
Mushroom soup. Mushroom soup.
Open it. Mushroom soup. Whoa, that is so cute. That was not here last time. That's new. And that's also new too. Pasta was pretty good. Thank you so much.
Get this cup out of here.
Thank you. Wow, it's so good. Oh my god, look at this. I bought this. This is Tim. It's all fucked up. It's so cute. Oh my god, look at him. So I bought one for Rich too. Oh my god, okay, let's go find him. This is so cute.
Ah, no way. No way. Are you serious?
Yes, yes.
Oh. We're fighting. You said you're gonna give me a G-Wagon. Shut up, shut up, shut up. This is why we're not together.
He's so silly. I
This
know,
is
we're
the
like a
cutest
little
thing
kid, I swear.
ever.
There's so many dishes here. Cute. Butterbeer. And Tim wants some butterbeer too.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good. I think it's my first time trying butterbeer. Not sure. Pretty good. Tastes like ice cream.
Yeah. Alright, I hope you liked today's video taking you to see Universal Studio. So make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you know the day and time I release my video. See you later. Bye. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.